Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can become an agent with Ria Money Transfer. In order to do so, here we are at riamoneytransfer.com/en-ca/become-an-agent. And here we can see that we have the form that we could fill out in order to become an agent. And you could see here in our handy Cider AI extension for Chrome that in order to become an agent, go ahead and go to this page, register your interest. Partnering with Ria allows you to offer a new service to your customers or switch to a company with great exchange rates, low fees, and overall best value. Remember to double check the specific requirements and application process on their website. And if you're interested in using Cider, you can go to the description for this video and click the link there. You would be helping us out as well. And Cider is an amazing tool. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.